Hi, my name is Rachel Anise, and I am from Seal Beach, California. I now live in Long Beach, California, 5 minutes away. And I'm a California native. I do beauty content specifically focusing on luxury beauty and luxury skincare. I've been with LTK for 9 years. This is a wild full circle moment for me on so many fronts. I used to do acting to pay for school, then I stopped to go be a professor, and now I'm doing a commercial about what I do as a professor and as a beauty writer. So I'm grateful for this moment. I feel like there was a lot at play to get me to this point, and I'm just soaking in every moment. As a beauty writer, I use my long days in the classroom, and there's a lot of days where I'm teaching for like 10 or 11 hours, and I love that. I like kind of chunking my classes together like that. What I'm doing in this commercial today is a reflection of one of those moments. One of the years I was teaching, I would say this was like 3 years ago probably now, I was helping some students as they were leaving class, and a student was standing right over me, and he's like, I have to tell you something. They're all leaving class, and he's like, you have something on your eye right here. And it was like mascara, a mixture of mascara and eyeliner that had transferred up and was looking wild. And I didn't know. It was literally the end of my day. My audience has been with me for 10 years. I started Beauty Professor with, number one, without an intention for it to be a full-time job. It was truly out of a passion for makeup and skincare. But LTK has been a great companion. It's helped me to become a really viable business for myself and for my family, and something I can, rely on, and I'm grateful for that. LTK, style you can trust.